this is Annis with Crafty Creations by Annis. I'm getting ready to post my new giveaway, and I realized I never posted my winner video for my holiday card video. So for the video right here, win the cards from my process video, I'm going to go ahead and draw a winner. The winner will get the completed cards I've created, or they can go ahead and take a new pack and they can create them themselves. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the link and go into the name picker, post the link right here. Hold on, did that paste? Yeah, I did. Okay. And I am going to get YouTube comments. All right. So we are going to start. So there are 30. Going to start, see who the winner is. Lizette, congratulations. So you have won the completed cards, or you can get them as a brand new set. So just let me know what you'd prefer. All right, congratulations. Thanks, everyone.